Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Monday, April 5th. I think my GoPro's on. Yeah, can't tell, I got it too low now. But the last video I did, this thing was a year old in February, and I just checked the mileage. I got 13,502. Well, a little bit more than that now, but 13,000. I'm on my second rear tire. I got the K9 about 3,000 miles ago. I had to order it because I don't want the stock tire. Those things didn't last. It barely went 10,000 miles, so hopefully the K9 will last longer. They won't. You can't put real car tires on because no one else can do it. But the dealership, they don't have a mount that they can do these little rim tires or little ball bearing kind of tires. So I may have to get one myself once I get up in my shop. But it's a beautiful day. It's 82 degrees. It's probably not quite that hot. It's got a nice cool breeze, so it's not really hot at all. Oop, I didn't even pay attention. I'm usually angry at all these people going 70 and a 55, and here that's what I was doing because I wasn't paying attention. 70 and a 50, I'm sorry. Well, I didn't get caught. Usually I get caught. No one else gets caught. But it's a beautiful day. Just got back from Galveston. My youngest son got married. That was a really nice wedding. Not a lot of people because they've had to put it off a couple times already because of COVID. So none of the family came from long distance like they did my oldest son. Everybody came from Illinois and everywhere. But I understand because it's just weird times and they put it off. So it was good though because it was just family. And had some friends that used to live next door, but they came, which was really nice. Haven't seen them in years. It's just like you haven't seen them in years, but as soon as you talk to them, you're still old friends. We got a lot of friends like that. So anyway, it turned out really nice. Really proud of my kids. The oldest one was the best man, and even when my oldest one got married 5 years ago, my youngest one was the best man. So that's really cool. I want them to stay close. Bye.